Hello everyone, I'm Mara Benitez, Library Assistant at the Seguin Public Library. Dia de los Muertos is almost here, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a sugar skull themed art piece. If you've picked up your craft packet at the library, you have everything you need. If you're a visitor joining us, then welcome. You'll need an old vinyl record or a black piece of paper, paint in white and lots of different festive colors, and utensils in different sizes for making dots. Today I'll be using cotton swabs and toothpicks. To get started, you'll need to draw out your design on your record or piece of paper in white pencil or chalk. If you've picked up a packet at our library, we've already got your design started for you. Next, take a cotton swab and dip it in white. We're going to be filling in our painting with dots. Fill the skull design in with white dots, making sure to keep your cotton swab loaded with plenty of paint to keep too much of the record from showing through. Keep your dots tight and close together. Now, take your different colors on cotton swabs and begin designing your sugar skull headdresses. For mine, I'm going to start with some yellow, just over the crown of the skulls, then some blue, some pink, some purple, and green. I'll go back and add some ornaments with white. Now, I'll take the cut end of my cotton swabs and use them to add some details to the sugar skulls. Finally, take the cotton swabs and add some festive details around the center of the record. Make your design as simple or as festive as you like. And we're done! Our masterpiece is ready for hanging. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and keep an eye out on our social media for more activities and crafting tips, tricks, and ideas.